today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4, and it's going to be fun. So let's get on to this video. Oh no. Okay, don't fall in the lava. Okay, let's try go here. Oh no. Hang on, I have an idea. If we just... Hey, we can do that. We can just grapple hook onto the rock and remain. Nice. So, yeah, everybody's struggling but me, just hanging on. Alright, this round is a bit boring because, okay, let's see, acid is spreading. Oh no. Oh no, wait, I didn't know you could fall off the... You fell off the map. Hang on, that's not fair. I didn't... Well, that round kind of glitched, but okay, let's have a new... Reach the other side. Okay. No. We died. As usual. That's not possible. Jump. Yes, we made it. Jump. Oh, we're doing so good. Jump. Please, no. Why do we keep... Alright, next round. Get your team. Alright, let's start. Come on, please. We can do this. Right, I'm just leading the ball this way. Come on, ball. Right. Oh no, they're gonna win. No. Ah, red team won. You're kidding me. Why is this a storm? Oh, why can't I just grapple hook on? Yeah. Just chilling. We need a good round. Don't get caught. Oh no, just run around. That's what you need to do. No. I tell you, just run around and you get caught. Sorry, don't run around if you try this at home. It's kind of boring. Knowledge. What is this? Knowledge. It's boringest round ever in that. Jump over the... Oh, come on. I died. Wow, really? Typical. Still do the challenge up here. Well, we'll make it. Yes. Alright. New round. Choose a side. Green. Alright. What will we do now? Oh, picking yellow now. Yep. Now I'm picking green. Haha. Wow. Well, we survived that one. Boing. This is another boring round. They're really intense ones. They're good. But, okay. Boing. Yeah. Must be over now. Yeah, we're bouncing. We're jumping. Stop the round. Stop. Boing. Oh, new round. Stay up the longest time. Yes, I think. Knowledge. No, just fell down. Wow. Most points. Alex. Hey, it's not fair. I died. You can't die. Didn't know you could die in this round. 7. 8, 9, no. Wow. As you can see, I'm rubbish at this. Well, I'm rubbish this round. I'm good at other rounds. 13. Oh, well. Where's the place? Grapple hook there. Did I just die? I think I just died. Well. Wow. Alright, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yep. S, Z, whatever. Dinos. Bang. Bang. Complete the obbies to make a snowman. Complete it. Did I die? Well, grapple hook. And grapple hook to there. That's right. Nah. Well, grapple hook to there. Hang on. Well, we made it to there. They're not there. Oh, end of the round anyway. First one to press the button. Where is it? I think it's here. No. Hang on, let's zoom out. Oh, you can't zoom out of the map. Where is it? I can't find it. No. IK6NR1. Wow. Put out the fires. Oh, no. Oh. Where do we go? Where can we? There aren't any fires. Where are the fires? Can you cross? No. Who's gonna win? Where are the fires? I'm not that good at this game. Kind of just started, but thought I'd made a video. It's good. Wanted to make a video, so making one. Hang on. Blue one. Why? Watch out for the giant black hole. Oh. Ah! Oh no. This is where it gets intense. These are intense rounds. Will we survive? Come on, please. Ah, am I still alive? Yes! I actually survived. I can't believe I did it. This is like one of the hardest rounds. I know I'm the button presser. Reach the top. Okay, I like these ones. Okay. Gets a bit easier as you go. Then move. If you stay here behind this rock. Oh no, please. No, oh yeah, I thought we were going to die. Made it, yes. Get 5 extra coins. Wow, nice. Let's build some walls so no one can get through. Anyway, alright, let's speed the button first. Yes. Find and collect the Easter eggs. Ah, I hate these rounds. These are like, I hate them. They're just really hard. Anyway. Well, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Bye.